Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I hope you all are fine. Today I am going to teach you workbook of English grade 1. First of all, you have to move on planner week 1. So you have to write down date and day on first two blocks of week 1. And the alphabets, concept, clearance. The alphabets workbook page number 31 and 32. On page number 31, first you have to write down date and day on the top of the page. Then you have to draw the weather sign. The alphabets, it is our topic. The alphabets, ALPHA, alpha, BETS, bets. The alphabets. Letters from A to Z make up the alphabets. Now answer this question about the letters. What is the sixth letter? A, B, C, D, E, F. So you have to write down the sixth letter of alphabet. This is F. So you will write here F. Now number 2. What comes before G? Before G. Before mean pehle. A, B, C, D, E, F. And G. Before G is F. So you will write here F. Which letter comes after P? After mean bad. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. So you have to write the letter after P is Q. You will write here Q. What comes after D? Bad. A, B, C, D, E. You will write here E. What comes between S and U? Between S and U. Here it is S and here is U. So T comes between S and U. You will write here T. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the missing letters. A, B, C, D and E, and E is missing, then F is missing. ठीक है. K, L, M, N, O is missing, then P is missing. Q, U, V, W, X is missing, and Y is also missing. Place the letters below the alphabetical order. So you have to arrange the letters according to alphabet. M, L, O, P, K. K, L, M, N, O, P. J, L, K, G, H. G, H, I, J, K, L. S, P, Q, R, O. O, P, Q, R, S, T. So you have to move on page number 32. Write these nouns in alphabetical order. So you have to focus on the first letter of the word. Deer, ox, fox, cat. You will write here according to alphabetical order. Cat, deer, fox, ox. Giraffe, horse, donkey, monkey. Donkey, giraffe, horse, monkey. Number 3. Room, pencil, table, chair. Chair, pencil, room, table. Sana, Arib, Faiza, Zainab. Here are the name of girls. Arib, Faiza, Sana and Zainab. Move on next question. Write this alphabetical order according to second letter. Here you have to focus on first letter and here you have to focus on second letter. AS, AD, AZ, AN, AJ. AD, AJ, AN, S and A, Z. CL, CA, CI, CR, CH. You have to write according to the second alphabet. CA, CH, CI, CL, CR. Number 3, SI, SK, SL, SC, ST. SC, SI, SL, SC, SI, SK, SL and ST. SK, KD, KY, KV, KD, KS, KZ and KQ. KD, KQ, KS, KV and KZ. VR, VA, VY, VK, VE. VA, VV, VE, VK, VA, VV, VK, VR and VY. So here you have to focus on first letter and here you have to focus on second letter. So you have to practice at your homes. Here is the end of lecture. Stay home, stay happy. Allah Hafiz.